On her 16th birthday, she shall prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Maleficent, obviously, the horns. But wait, these are the horns we created for my tourist video back in April, and these are literal trash, so we will not be using these. Before we get started with this video, it's gonna be very simple. There's not really much to do, but like chisel out her bomb-ass high cheekbones, and we're gonna try to look like her as much as possible. But before we get started, I have this little tiny exciting Halloween related thing that happened to me earlier today that I want to share with you guys. I was driving earlier today and some car cut me off, so I was like literally about to just go off, and me going off turned into just straight up laughter. So I just got cut off by the Ghostbusters car, and that like legitimately made my day because like of all the people that could have happened to in the entire world, I feel like it only makes sense that it happened to me. And you know, I stay ready with some kind of camera. I did not have the camera with me that I usually bring along with me all the time, which is the camera I'm filming with right now. The camera was here at home charging, so I used my tablet. I did not care how crappy the quality was, but I will insert the clip in here for you to see because I think it's quite funny. I just got like cut off by the f***ing Ghostbusters mobile. Are you kidding me? I'm so shook. But yeah, only me. Yeah, I've been wanting to do Maleficent for a very long time because she's my favorite Disney villain. Honestly, I think that some people are just sleeping on her, and I'm just like, come on, no one's giving any love for Maleficent. And I feel like it's because she's from Sleeping Beauty, and Sleeping Beauty is like one of the old ones, and I just feel like they've been forgotten. So when the first movie came out, I was very excited and to get some backstory about Maleficent and to figure out that she wasn't born evil. And I'm just like, yes, origins, we love them. And I can't wait to see Maleficent 2, Mistress of Evil. So we're gonna hop right in finally for the real time this time and turn ourselves into the Mistress of Evil. Let's hop right in.
Alright, creeps. So as you can see, I'm just making myself Maleficent pale. The live action Maleficent is just really pale, and if you're going for the animated Maleficent, she is a really pale light green color, which I had originally planned on doing, but nope, we do realism on this channel apparently. Okay, so for this clip I didn't even bother to speed it up because honestly I was struggling. I was really struggling on trying to chisel out her high cheekbones. Maleficent's cheekbones are like really super distinct. They're like, they might as well be like daggers sticking out of the side of her face. They're that sharp. Like to really 100% get that right, I really think you need to have the prosthetics to really get the 3D effect. It's really hard to actually contour your face, especially do something that extreme to your cheekbones and have it look realistic. And as you can see throughout this video, I was really struggling with that specifically. I mean, I know how to contour my face, but I don't really contour my face anymore. But I know how, and I was just like, the more I looked at it, the more I was just like, no, it doesn't look right. But in the end, it was all right, but I'm not like 100% okay with it even now. And here I am just drawing in my eyebrows. Now my natural eyebrows don't have this like natural arch that I drew in. You want to always make sure, especially for villains, that you put an exaggerated arch in your brows. It just gives that evil effect. Then go ahead and contour your nose to your best ability to look more like Maleficent. Get your hands on some gray and some black eyeshadow and really make sure that the eyeshadow is a sharp wing. Now we are messing around with the contouring of her cheekbones again. I am adding highlighter to all of the highest points of my face to try and make it look like my cheekbones are naturally like that. It didn't really make much of a difference, but hey, I tried. Gold star for effort. And another thing that was really bothering me is that it really just looked a whole lot like my previous Morticia Addams look. Like, it really looked so similar, and it didn't really all fit together until I threw the horns on. And one last attempt to really sharpen out those cheekbones. I told you guys I was struggling, didn't I? And there you have it. That is the completed Maleficent look on my channel.
Alright, if you guys like this video, give it 2 horns up. If you did not like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to hit the bell and subscribe to know when I upload. I upload every week, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.